Alright, just real quick, we just happened to be driving by, and it's been a long time. It's been a really, really long time since I've got out here and did any urban exploring. Hello? Hello? Yeah, this house is creaking and making all kinds of weird noises. Dang, that's creepy. Sounds like there's something up in the attic. Shit. Yep, something's up there. I think it's just pigeons. Something's up there, guys. I don't know. Maybe let's go around. I guess there's really no way to. Oh, that's an even bigger opening. I'm pretty sure it's just pigeons. Hello? Oh yeah, we're sinking right here. I feel it leaning. That's it. Jesus. And a garage. That's it. Quick little explore.